Now you might ask yourself this question, I hear all this stuff you're saying, but I still don't understand how the VirusDoc series inactivates harmful pathogens. Explain it to me, Doc. Well, let me touch on a little bit of scientific information, and then we'll kind of try to approach it in a different fashion so that most people can understand. We already know that through an oxidative reduction reaction, that the superoxide ions and the protons that are actually produced by our technology in this box here, it turns into a very harmful ROS, which is a hydroxyl radical, and it actually steals hydrogens away from these little spikes on the coronavirus that allows it to attach, thus poking holes in it and inactivating it. That's pretty simplistic, but that's what it does. Now you might ask yourself, I hear what you're saying, but I'm not a chemistry major, so can you explain it a little bit different? And the answer is yes. Suppose this, everybody knows what a desk globe is. You have a little globe, it's on your desk, and you spin it. Well, why don't we just take that globe and make it 10 foot in diameter? And let's put 8 or 10 of them, about 30 foot away from you. And to make it even more interesting, we're going to put a blindfold on you and give you a handful of darts. And we're going to spin those globes. Now here's the question I'm going to ask. Each dart's going to hit a globe, but will it hit the globe in the same exact spot as all the other globes? And the answer is absolutely not. You'd have a better chance of winning a lottery ticket. But see, this is how the VirusDoc technology works. It actually inactivates generically. What do I mean? Well, picture 400 million darts per second per centimeter cubed. That's how many darts we're throwing at each virus. So see, you threw one dart, and you probably hit a spike. But we throw 400 million per second, depending on the units you actually get. And that's how we generically inactivate the viruses, or the bacteria.
You still might be saying, wow, I just don't understand the dart theory or the dart analogy. So one of my favorite analogies, and I love this because it's so simple to understand. So let's say you have a beach ball. Okay, everybody knows what a beach ball is. And I would assume that everybody knows what a buckshot and a shotgun is, or a bird shot, whatever. It's got a spread, right? 15-foot pattern. It's pretty standard. So if you throw a beach ball up in the air and you take that shotgun with that buckshot and you shoot it, it's going to shred that that beach ball to pieces. That's again how the VirusDoc works. It's generic. It does not discriminate, such as like UVC technology does, where you are on the wavelength for millijoules per meter squared. It is target specific. Ours is not. If anything that's in that spread off of that buckshot, beach ball, volleyball, basketball, it doesn't matter. It's going to completely shred it on contact. So, and that's just another analogy of how the VirusDoc inactivates.